The Adventure of the Scout Boy and the Little Bird. Once upon a time, in a cozy cabin nestled among tall trees, there lived a curious scout boy named Sammy. Sammy loved the forest and all its creatures, and he always dreamed of new and exciting adventures. One cold day, Sammy was sitting by the window, enjoying the warmth of the cabin and the peaceful beauty of nature. Suddenly, he heard a faint sound, like a tiny cry for help coming from the cold outside. His curiosity grew stronger, so he quietly stood up, put on his jacket and sturdy boots, and prepared himself for the unknown. He slowly opened the wooden door, and a chilly breeze slipped inside, carrying with it the scent of pine. Looking around, Sammy spotted a little bird shivering from the cold, having just fallen from its nest. The bird looked very frightened, its tiny eyes darting in every direction in search of its missing mother. Sammy felt sorry for the helpless creature and decided at once that he must help it find its way back home. He gently carried the bird in his warm hands and packed his small backpack for the adventure ahead. Sammy set off into the depths of the forest, searching for the lost nest among the thick branches of the trees. Using all his scouting skills, he watched carefully, looking for any sign that might lead him to the nest. Along the way, he met a friendly squirrel and a small hedgehog who nodded at him as if cheering him on to keep going. After a long search, Sammy finally spotted a nest high up in a giant oak tree. There, the bird's mother was waiting anxiously. Sammy climbed carefully and placed the little bird back into the warm embrace of its mother and tiny siblings. The mother fluttered with joy, and the little bird chirped happily, grateful for Sammy's great help. Sammy's heart filled with happiness for helping his small friend reunite with his beloved family. He returned to his warm cabin, knowing that every adventure carries within it a chance to do good and leave behind a beautiful mark.